Are you struggling to generate traffic? Do you know how to get traffic? Do you know how to get quality traffic? Do you know how to get buyer traffic? Did you know that traffic can solve 80% of your problems? Welcome to my video. In this training video, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic to any affiliate link, any website. So let's dive into this video and let me show you step by step how it's all done. Today's date, this is today's date, so it's a latest video. So let me just refresh this so you know that this is a latest brand new video. Okay, so this is the date for today. So let's dive into this video and let me show you step by step how to generate free traffic to any website and any affiliate link. So for this purpose, we're going to talk about one of the network which most people are interested in, including myself, is Clickbank. Okay, so Clickbank is a digital marketplace that has thousands of products. They have paid out over $7 billion to their customers. This includes vendors and affiliates. Okay, it's one of the networks that's been there since 1990s. All right, so if you don't know what Clickbank is a place where you can come, promote other people's products and earn thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions. Okay, potentially earn thousands of dollars in commissions, and I'm going to show you step by step how to generate free traffic. Once you have joined Clickbank, which is free to join, what you want to do is you want to go to these offers and choose one of the offers. Now most people will choose an offer from health and fitness or e-business and e-marketing, okay, because that's where the money is. But that doesn't mean that you can't make money with the other offers. If you have an offer which you are passionate about, all right, make sure you promote that offer, because that's going to make you a lot of money without you having to give up. Okay, now the best way to find out which Clickbank would recommend based on ranking would be clicking on top offers, and Clickbank is going to come up with so many offers for you step by step, okay, all revealed. What I want to do is I want to promote one specific product which I believe is one of the best products on the internet. So I'm going to come here, I'm just going to type in Instagram here, okay. And when I type in Instagram, the first result that comes up is this one here. As you can see, turn your Instagram account into an ATM machine. Now, the first rule is before promoting any type of product, you need to make sure that the product is still available. So you want to click on the sales page here to make sure that the product is still available. So I can see the product is still available. Yes. Okay. It's a product that teaches you how to drive unlimited traffic using Instagram. Okay, how to build a real solid income business using Instagram. Is giving you 6 exclusive bonuses as well. One of the bonuses is called the master reseller license, which means you can actually purchase the product, have a done for you sales page, thank you page, members area, and sell this product like it's your own product and earn 100% profit. Okay, so you're not just getting a course that's going to teach you how to make money, you're actually getting a course with a done for you biz in a box. Okay, so it's one of the best products on Clickbank. All right, you can check it out yourself. I'm going to promote this product, and if you want to, you could check the affiliate page as well. They have the affiliate resource tool down here. So if you go to the affiliate page, you could see here that the owner has 2 products down here which you can promote. Okay, so you can see here, here's the product that I'm looking into that I want to promote. It's the low ticket product. And here's another product as well that if you want to promote, you can promote this product that can earn you up to $2,500 per sale. Right? So if you want to promote this product, just go to the affiliate center and find all the affiliate tools. Now, if you're interested in promoting this product, just click on here, click here to access affiliate tools. It's going to open up a new page. Okay, and you're going to find all the affiliate tools and resources down here to promote this product. Okay, this product pays 70% commission. Okay, and when you're ready to promote this product, you just want to come here. Click on get affiliate link, enter your nickname, scroll down, and you're going to find your nickname here. Okay, so it's one of the best products. So I want to promote this product. Now to promote this product, okay, you need traffic. Okay, now you could get, there's 2 ways to generate traffic. One is paid, one is free. I'm talking about free traffic here. Now here's the rule when it comes to free traffic. Number 1, you have to be persistent. Okay, you can't just do it 1 or 2 times and expect results. It has to be done on a daily basis. Number 2, if you're just going to focus on free traffic, make sure there's a combination of free traffic sources all combined coming to your link. Okay, so you just don't want to stick to one free traffic source. What you want to do is you want to add up about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 free traffic sources and take a couple of hours every single day, work on it, because every day when you're working on it, it's going to add up. Okay, it's going to compound, add up, and you're going to start getting hundreds and even thousands of clicks every single month, and then that's when you're going to start seeing some results. Okay, so you have to have a never giving up attitude. You have to think positive. You have to do a compound free different traffic sources and variation of free traffic coming to your link. Okay, so you can't just stick to one traffic source and then expect to see a lot of clicks and results. Do a couple of free traffic sources, so add in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, add in Snapchat, add in some other free traffic sources as well. And one of the free traffic sources I'm going to share in this video that's currently working for me and other top internet marketers, so I'm going to show you how we install that. So okay, I'm on this free traffic source right now. So you can see at the top here, I'm just a free member. It's a free traffic source. You can stick as a free member. I've got 1038 credits and I'm going to use that. How do I use that? This is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on send email. Okay. So I'm going to send this email. All right. I'm going to scroll down. You can see that I sent an email out on 17 August. Okay. As a free member, I get to send this email out to up to 2,000 members. Okay. So look at this, based on the credit. How do you get this credit? You get this credit by you joining for free, and then you're going to receive emails from this traffic source to surf websites. Okay, and when you surf websites for a couple of seconds, they give you credits. Okay, and based on that credit, you could send the email. So I've got 1038 credit, which means I can send the email out to 1038 members. All right, for free. Okay, this is free traffic. Take about 20 minutes out, 30 minutes out a day, surf websites to add these credits so you can send out emails. Now, if you're a free member, you could only send out one email per 5 days. If you're a paid member, you can send out an email every single day. Okay, I've been receiving free traffic. I've been receiving subscribers and leads. I know some of the top internet marketers who are using this traffic source and basically getting results. Okay, and that's how I came across this traffic source to give it a try. All right, and I'm quite surprised that it's giving me some good results. So you can see if I scroll down. Okay, let me just go to the history and show you. Okay, so if I come here, check this out. This is all free traffic. Okay, so if I come here, you can see here the last email I sent out was 42 open, 19 clicks. The email that I sent out before that was, look at this, 71 clicks. Okay, 71 clicks and 112 open, sent out to 1005 members. All right, so check this out. These are all free traffic, my friend, free traffic. Okay, so let's do this. Let me show you how easy it is. So send the email. Okay, I'm going to come down, I'm going to click on create mailing. All right, first I need to add how many credits. I'm going to put 1000 credits, so it's going to go to 1005 people. Let's choose one of the, alright, let me see what I can choose. Okay, I'm just thinking. Okay, so okay, let me just choose this one. Alright. Okay, so I'm just going to change the link, I guess. Alright. So let's do this. Okay. Let's just change the link here. Okay, so I'm going to change this link. Change it to something like this. Okay. Alright, so everything is looking good to me. Just using one of my previous email messages I've sent. You can create a brand new one yourself. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. Alright, I'm going to click on send message, and it's going to redirect me to a page which is basically just a random page just like this. I'm going to go back. Okay, and I'm going to see what has happened here. Has it been sent? Let's just go here, history. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. Refresh. And you can see here it's queued. Okay, so you can see here this whole email has been queued for me. Okay, and it's going to be sent out to 1005 members. Going to get opens, going to get clicks, and this is all free traffic. Okay, if you're going to learn more ways to generate free traffic, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment if you have any kind of questions. Okay, and if you want to learn a different way to make money online, just let me know in the comment section box and I will cover that for you.